7. And what is your name?
My name is Karen.
Okay, your name is Kat. Okay, so today we are going to talk about different jobs. Yes. What do you want to be? Do you want to be a dentist? Yes, I am. Okay. Do you want to be a pilot?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Now let's talk about the first one. Okay. So what is she?
She is a doctor.
Doctor. Very good. She is a doctor. And how about the next one?
She is a nurse.
Nurse. Very good. And
He is a driver.
okay, he is a driver. And
He is a pupil.
very good. And
He is a pilot.
pilot. Do you want to be a pilot? Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
No, I know.
Okay. How about dentist? Do you want to be a dentist?
He is a dentist.
Yes, he is a dentist. Do you want to be a dentist? No, I'm not. Okay, so let's talk about more. Okay. Okay, now, what is he?
He is a zookeeper.
Zookeeper and
He is a
carpenter.
carpenter.
Okay, and
She is a teacher.
okay, and the last one.
He is a fireman.
Okay, fireman. Do you want to be a teacher?
Yes.
Yes, I am. Okay, okay. Now, is he a doctor?
No. He is.
Okay, no, he isn't. Very good. Is she a nurse?
Yes, she is.
Very good. Is he a pupil?
No, he is.
Okay. Is he a zookeeper?
No, he is.
Okay, very good. Is she a teacher?
No, she is.
Okay, very good, Kahan. And today we are going to talk about in, on, under. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I am. What's this?
In a tree.
Tree. What's this?
In a boat.
Where is the ball? Where is the ball? The ball
The ball
is,
is
yes, under
under the tree.
tree. Very good. How about this? What's this?
Is a pencil.
And what's this?
Is
Like this. What's this?
Table.
Table. Where is the pencil? Where is the pencil?
in the sea.
Is
The table.
on the.
On the table.
Okay. What's this?
Is a cat.
Cat. What's this?
Is a table.
Okay. Where is the cat?
Cat. Cat under the
Under the
on table.
table. Okay. The cat
The cat
is under the table.
table.
Very good. Okay. What's this?
Is a cup.
Box. Very good. What's this?
Is a book.
Book. Where is the book?
The book
Is
is under.
no. Is it under?
The book is
Is
on.
on. Is it on? In. Okay. The book is
The book is under.
in.
The book is on table.
Okay. Say the
The
book
book
is in the box. Okay. How about this one? What's this? Chair and book. Okay. Where is the book? The book is it under? What? What's this? Where? In, on, under. In. Is it in? In, on, or under? On the chair. Again, say it. The book is on train. Very good. On the chair. Okay, you did a good job today.